Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Manufacturers spent more on their inputs for production in the month of June. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says companies in the manufacturing industry saw a 2.9% jump in the cost of the items they need. The uptick was driven by a 2.9% increase in the cost of inputs in the heavily weighted category food, beverages, and tobacco. A 4.6% jump in the cost of fuel also factored into the increase. The cost of inputs in the manufacturing industry rose by 23.8% for the 12 months to June. Meanwhile, Jamaica's goods-producing industry acquired less loans at the end of 2021 compared to 2020. The Economic and Social Survey for 2021 found that the loans and advances issued to the sector amounted to $100.9 billion. The figure represented a nominal decrease of 4.2% and 10.7% in real terms, considering inflation and foreign exchange movements. The ESSJ showed that in real terms, lower levels of funding were disbursed to construction and land development sectors. The sector saw a 14.5% drop to $46 billion. Funds disbursed to the agriculture industry also fell by 12.3% to $15.3 billion. Loans and advances to the manufacturing industry fell by 10.2% to $36.5 billion. The mining industry, however, saw a 170% increase in borrowed funds, amounting to $3.1 billion. The government raked in additional revenues from the Jamaica Customs Agency between April and December 2021 when compared to the same period in 2020. Jamaica Customs collected 35.4% more in tax revenue, which amounted to $183.6 billion. Increased imports and more stringent monitoring and oversight contributed to the increased earnings. And to today's foreign exchange trading, it's costing an average $154.20 for the U.S. currency. The Canadian is going for $122.59. $185.54 is the going rate for the pound, while the euro is trading at an average $158.89. The JSE index lost 1,908 points today, while the junior market index declined by 129 points. Among the winners were Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Everything Fresh, and First Rock Real Estate Investments, while on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Fosrich, CAC 2000, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, and Salada Foods. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. The regional and international roundup is right after the break.